Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this one is Glossybox. So if you don't know what Glossybox is, I'm going to give a brief little description here, but if you already know everything there is to know about this box and you just want to get to the items inside, I'm going to leave a timestamp in the comments section down below so that you can skip ahead. But for those of you that don't know, Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription service. It costs £10 per month on a monthly rolling subscription plus £3.95 postage and packaging per box. But you can reduce the cost of the box by increasing the term of the subscription. For example, I've taken out a 12-month subscription and my boxes cost me £8.50 a month plus the £3.95 postage and packaging. Inside each box you get 5 items. You can get anything from skincare, makeup, hair care. We've had beauty tools in the past. So you can get a good mix of things in this box. The sizes range from deluxe minis to full size. We hardly ever get any tiny little samples, so that's quite nice. And overall this has been one of my favourite boxes. I've had a couple that have been a bit meh, but as with all subscription boxes, you can't win them all and you can't love every single item in every single box all of the time. So I tend to just roll with it and see what I get, and sometimes I just get an amazing box. So with all that being said, let's see whether this is one of those amazing boxes. So I'm just going to make a note of the packaging. This isn't the usual box. Normally we'd get a pink box, but this is a special edition box. You can see it's a bit shiny. And it says on the side here, Wild Thing. Now I have seen online that this box has already sold out, so if you do subscribe this month you won't actually receive this box. I think they've got mystery boxes that you'll be able to get, but unfortunately this one has already sold out, which is a little bit sad, but there you go. I'm gonna just pop the lid off, and oh, that's cute. Got little paw prints inside, so that's quite cute. So let's see what we've got going on here. So we've got a little booklet inside, and then take that out, and then all of the items are just wrapped up underneath. So just have a quick look at this. So every month we get a card that accompanies the box, tells us a little bit about the items inside, tells us the RRPs, and it's just a useful little thing to have with the box, and I'll be using this to refer to as we go through the items in the box as well. On the back there's usually a sneak peek for an item in next month's box, and this month is no exception to that. So if you don't want to know what the sneak peek is, then again I will leave a timestamp in the comments section down below so that you can skip ahead past this part. But if you do want to know what it is a Huda Beauty product, and that's what we're getting. In June we're travelling around the globe to discover a world of beauty beyond our own borders. Your first sneak peek, a long-lasting, waterproof and smudge-proof dual-ended eyeliner brought to you by Iraqi-American beauty guru Huda Katan. Worth £18, it boasts a liquid liner on one end and a creamy pencil on the other, allowing you to create endless eye looks. Not sure how I feel about that. I don't typically do very well with liquid eyeliner. I've got a couple of them in my collection right now. Don't really need another one. So we'll see. But that's that. And then on the inside there's usually a little note from the editor, so I'm just going to read that out. So this May we're embracing our wild side with 2 special design boxes, and you've just received our Zebra Wild Thing edit. So yeah, I think I noticed that on the front. The other version of the box is this leopard print one. Featuring 5 full-size products. Ooh, 5 full-size products. This box will introduce you to an array of sassy beauty must-haves that make you feel fierce and free. We're talking sultry eye makeup, animal print skincare and beauty tools to unleash your creativity. Get ready to rule your urban jungle glossies and show the world who's boss. So that sounds quite cool, and reading that I've just remembered what the sneak peek for this box was. So with all of that out of the way, we're going to get into the box now. So I'm just going to open the ribbon while it's on my lap, because otherwise it just doesn't end well. And then I'm going to tear this open, and And there we go, that's what that looks like. Yeah, so I can already see the sneak peek. And I do think it's cool, although my box is already open. That's not cool. But what is cool is that the packaging for that item matches the box. So I'm wondering if the packaging for the item in the leopard print box is leopard print as well. I'd be curious to know that. I have a feeling it might be, which if that's the case, that's pretty cool. So this is the Steve Laurent Wild Thing. It's an eyeshadow palette. I know that because I've already seen the sneak peek. And that's what that looks like. That's pretty sleek. Pop this, whoop! There goes the little plastic slip. And let's just tie that. And that's what that looks like. So it's a pretty neutral palette. It's probably not something I would typically go for, but I can appreciate that they're trying to appeal to a wide range of people and not everybody likes bright, colourful looks. I don't hate it, it's not something that sort of wows me. So that's that. Let's see what the card says. So the eyeshadow palette has an RRP of £31. £31? Those pans are tiny. Embrace your wild side and experiment with new sultry eye looks thanks to this gorgeous zebra print eyeshadow palette. Boasting 9 creamy and intense shades, the silky smooth pigments glide effortlessly onto your lid to deliver some serious colour. You can use the soft matte hues to create a subtle day look or blend the shimmery dark colours together to build an evening design. So, in theory that sounds great, but I'm looking at that palette thinking it's neutral. I might try it and see. Maybe the quality of the eyeshadows is like next level amazing and I change my mind. Definitely willing to have my mind changed on that one. But that's that. Okay, so next, oh no. So next we've got this from EOS, Evolution of Smooth. So it's the Sweet Mint 100% Natural Shea Lip Balm. The reason I say oh no isn't because I don't like these. I've actually not long since finished one as part of my Project Pan, but it's not my favourite lip balm formula, but it does work, so I don't mind using it, but I actually hate this design. This does look a little bit different to the one I've finished, so I'm wondering if what's going on at the bottom is different. But I didn't like with the one I've just finished that there's a grid design and then there's a giant well underneath, so once you get to a certain point you sort of lose quite a chunk of product because it all just sort of falls down and is inaccessible. And the dome shape of the actual product, just I find it's not very accurate when you're trying to apply it. But not unhappy to have it. I can use it. It just, the design of this just annoys me. But let's just see what the card says. I'm doing really well here, aren't I? I'm sorry, I don't mean to be so negative. So the RRP on this is £6.50. Don't let painful, dry, chapped lips stop you from living your wildest adventures. Full of nourishing and soothing ingredients like shea butter, jojoba oil and vitamin E, these natural lip balms deeply hydrate and condition your pout. Whether you receive the sweet mint, the pomegranate and raspberry or the strawberry sorbet flavour, you'll be left with soft, smooth and supple lips. Okay, so this was obviously one of 3 flavours. I don't think I'd have minded whichever one I got, so that's fine. For me it's just the shape of this more than anything else, so that's that. Next we've got okay, this is exciting. So this is from OK and it's from the SOS range. It's the Skin Calming Dalmatian Print Sheet Mask with charcoal and white tea. So you can see from here it's got a Dalmatian print on the mask. That in itself will do absolutely nothing for you. It's just the cute factor, but it is cute. I like the brand okay. There's only really been a couple of things that I've had a bit of a moment with, but mostly I do enjoy their sheet masks, so I'm definitely keen to give this a go. So okay, so it looks like there's 3 different types that we could have received. So there was a peacock print, the Dalmatian print, and looks like a leopard print. So the RRP on this is £4. Channel your inner spirit animal with these fun sheet masks filled with skin-loving ingredients like tea tree, witch hazel, willow bark and charcoal powder. They work to calm, tone and balance your skin for a cleaner and healthier looking complexion. Apply yours onto a clean face for 10 to 20 minutes, then gently peel it off and massage the remaining serum into your skin. Yeah, definitely keen to give that a go. Really happy to see that in here. So yay, I finally got something that I'm not going to sit here and go about. So that's great. So next we've got something from Mud Masky. And if you can see any this black on here, it's just the powder from the little wormies that are in the box. So it's a hair mask. So it's the Scalp Treatment and Miracle Shampoo. Oh, okay. 3-in-1 formula. Oh, okay. Right. Repairs hair, strengthens hair, hydrates hair, moisturises scalp, dandruff control. Let's read the card. So the RRP on this is £21. Tame your dry, damaged and frizzy mane with this newly launched 3-in-1 hair care treatment. Formulated with Moroccan argan oil, Moroccan mud and flowers, it first moisturises the skin on your scalp, then repairs, hydrates and strengthens your tresses. Massage it onto your wet scalp and hair, leave it for 1 minute, then rinse. You'll have beautiful, healthy looks in no time. I'm actually quite keen to try that. I mean, I don't necessarily need all the dandruff control and all of that, but I do kind of like argan oil as a hair care ingredient, so quite keen to try that. Nice. So that's 2. And then the last product that we've got is, I think the brand might be Stargazer, and it's a glitter pencil in the shade Fuchsia. Oh, and it's in that stupid tight wrapped plastic that irritates the life out of me because there's no need for it. Seriously, there's no need for it, guys. I don't even know why they bother putting those perforated strips in these things because it just doesn't work. Oh, we finally got something. There we go. Hooray! That is what that looks like. That looks very chunky glittery. That's the colour. So you can probably see little bits of that glitter, but you can't see it to the effect that I can see it on here. But that glitter is quite chunky. So it's worth £2. Nothing says fierce like an eyeliner with a touch of shimmery flair. A touch? That's full on glitter. These eye pencils not only feature highly pigmented formulas, but they have a sprinkle of glitter scattered through them too. Apply yours along your upper lash line and blend it out for a scintillating smoky effect, or sharpen the tip and draw a precise winged eye with sparkly undertones. I think it's pretty clear that I'm not a fan. As an eyeliner, I actually don't mind the colour of it. I think it's quite exciting and cool. Also, it did look like there was other colours that we could have received. So, whoops. So there. So yeah, as I was saying, I don't mind the colour, but that glitters a bit. I don't see the point of the glitter. I don't use eyeliner that in that thick of a line that you're even going to notice that exists. There was a large chunk of glitter on my hand, but it's gone already. That actually makes me a bit nervous. I don't want piece of glitter that large falling into my eyeball. So if it's going to fall off and disappear, I don't know. I'll try it, I'll give it a go. I might change my mind, but first impressions of this, not really that thrilled. So that's that. So that was all of the items. Quick recap. We've got the Steve Laurent eyeshadow palette. We've got the EOS lip balm. We've got the OK sheet mask. We've got the Mud Masky hair product. And we've got the glitter eyeliner thing. So overall, what do I think of this box? Not actually that impressed. For me, the products that I'm most keen to try are the sheet mask and the hair product. The other 3 items I could pretty much just leave. So this month actually feels like a bit of a letdown for me, which is a bit sad, but it happens sometimes. The eyeshadow palette, I can see that people are going to like this. I can see that people are going to get excited that this is in here. I can appreciate that for most people this is probably going to be a bit of a wow product. It's just not something that I need or am looking for or I'm excited by. So that's the only reason that that's a bit of a downer for me. But I do think it's cool that there's an eyeshadow palette in here. So I'll give it that. But anyway, over to you guys. What do you think of this month's box? Is this a box that you subscribe to? If so, what were your favourite items this month? If you don't have this box, are the items that you've seen today something that might sort of entice you in? Maybe you're completely different to me and love every single one of these. That's fine. If we were all the same, the world would be a very boring place. But yeah, just let me know in the comments down below. I'm always interested to hear other people's thoughts and opinions. I do hope everyone's well and doing okay. And with that being said, as always, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It just helps to let me know that you're enjoying what I'm doing. And I'll see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!